Hello friends, once again welcome to my next video tutorial. So today I will show you how we can implement search sort pagination like functionality using Node.js and MongoDB. As you have already watched my last video where I have shown to you people how we can save the record into database, fetch the record from database, update the record inside database, and my database was MongoDB. So in today's tutorial I will show you how you can implement search, sort and pagination. So let's go to my editor window. Before that, let me to show you we can implement two kind of search functionality. Let's go for the search first. We can do the exact match. Let's say we are searching the name from the database. So we can put one name, we can do the exact match. That is one part. Another part is text search, like Google. If you have seen in Google, when we are typing something, the auto suggestion part is coming, the relevant result from the database is fetching. So both kind of search today we are going to implement, and I will show you how we can achieve this in easy way. Okay, let me to go to my editor window. Let me to put one more router for it. Let's say I am making it search record. Let's say my method I am giving post. Accordingly, here you have seen we have defined the route. Now our job is we will create the controller function or controller method. Let me to write here the try catch block for error handling. Let me to print the error message. In try block, let me to add the validation. So as we have added the post request, so it must have some body part. So let's check here. If not request dot body, then we will show some validation message. Now here I added some error message or validation message. My message is input is missing, so body part let's keep it blank. So in else part we will do the database operation. So here let's prepare the body part first from the postman. So search. So we'll keep here some value later. When we'll test, we'll give some value to here. So let's prepare the query, database query for the searching. So I will show you first the exact match condition. So here, as we have already our model, let's copy the same user model. So here what we will do, dot find, let's say we are searching by name, right? So here we can write the name, request dot body dot text, I think txt, yes, text, and after that let's trim it. We can remove the white space from the beginning and end part of the character. Let's again define the callbacks. If error, then we will send the error response to user. Let's copy it. If not error, we will send the success response. If error, we will send the error response. If not error, we will send the success response along with the matched record. Fine. Now our code looks okay. Let's test this first search part from the Postman. Before that, let me to run our server. So what I will do, I will install the node module first, npm i. So let me to check my code. Okay, no problem. So here I will install npm i. Now all my node modules has been installed. So after that I will start my server. npm start. Okay, now you can see server has started and there is no error. So let's go to Postman first. First let's add some record, multiple record. So we have added only 2 record. Now let's say I am keeping the name born USA. Yes, there is some error, so we have to start the MongoDB. So it seems my MongoDB has disconnected. Let me to check Mongo. Now it's okay, seems okay. Let me to go back to Postman and enter the record. Still some errors are there. Let me to run my server again. See, now this data has been added. Let me to add some more data. Let's say name Korg, korg@gmail.com, Brazil. Let me to add this one also. See, success message is there, data has been added. So let's go to our search record API where we will do the exact match. So let me to search by name. Okay, so I gave here the name as born. So what it will do, this API will match with the database and with the name born and fetch the record accordingly. So let me to click on send button and show you. Still some errors are coming. Cannot read property, trim up undefined. Okay, let's resolve this issue. So okay, this search is missing. Server has started again. Maybe that is resolved. Let me to run it again. Still there are some error. Shit. I have not changed it to success message. Now let me to click on send button and show you. See, record found. I searched by name. I gave the name as born, right? So accordingly the result fetched. So this is called as the exact match. Now we will see the text search like Google search. If we'll see in Google search bar, if we are providing some text, the relevant results are fetching from database and showing below that search box. So similar kind of application we can also implement in our Node.js application. So how Node can do it with MongoDB? Let's say I that means to modify my code first. So for that, what we have to do, we have to change our code little bit. So you have to use the regex. Like this, I am showing you how we can use regex with our MongoDB query. Here, what we will do, we can just give the cap option, cap symbol with our input. Then my next parameter is option. So I will explain you this line of code. So here what we will do, let's say user enters some text. So what this query will do, this query will search as per the text with the name keyword. So if inside the database any name has that character C or D or that text, so it will the fetch accordingly. So let me to run it this API again. Let me to test from Postman. Let me to give R. Click on send button and see what is happening. See, this name has the character R, so this record has also come. The second record also come, that is Rahul. So this name has also R character inside its string. So relevant results are coming. If I will give only C, now let's see, only name which has the character C. Okay, let me to insert one more record, Kurg. Change it accordingly, insert it, inserted. So let me to again search by typing this character C, and let's see what are the result coming from the database. Korg and Kurg. If I will give only CO, so accordingly also if you will see only one result matched and the record came. The second result that belongs to C, the first character is C, but the second character is U, so that did not come. So in this way also we can implement the search functionality. Now I have shown you two kind of search, one is exact match, another is text search. So in many interviewers are asking this question, how we can implement the text search functionality. Now we will implement the pagination using Node.js and MongoDB. Let's create one more route for pagination. You can also use the same route, it's completely depend on you. So for better understanding, I am creating one more route, that is here, let's say page route I have given. So accordingly let's copy the previous code and paste it, and accordingly we will change our control upon method name. This is page route, page record. my method name is page record. So here what I will do, I will do the pagination. The same way, if body part is not there, I am passing the input payload inside the body using the post request. So if the input is not there, it will throw you this validation message to user. Otherwise, we will do the pagination. So for pagination, what we need from the user, the page number and how many records the user need to display on the page, number of records. So these two parameters actually we need from the user end or UI. Accordingly, we'll do the pagination. So on the pagination, let's declare const. First is your page number. Okay, let's say that is current page. Dot, let's say I'm keeping same current page. Second one is the page size, that is number of records user wants to display on the screen. Dot, let's say page size. So here to do the pagination, actually MongoDB uses two type of its inbuilt method. One is skip, another is limit. So what is skip? How many records we want to skip for that page. Limit, the number of records we want to display on that page. So for skip, let's say how we can calculate the skip record. Let's say skip, the calculation is like this. Your page size into current page minus 1. So this is the calculation for skip. That means to explain you by giving some example. Let's say my current page is 1 in first page and my number of records I want to display is 10. So what will be here the skip value? 1 minus 1 0 into page size 10, 10 into 0 0. So I don't want to skip anything for the first page, and my limit will be equal to same my page size, my page size. So my first page, as I have shown to you, the skip will be 0, 1 minus 1 0 into page size 10 into 0. So first page I don't want to skip anything. How many records? What is the limit? 10. So first page I want to display the first 10 record. Second thing, let's say my page is 2, current page is 2, and I want to display the same 10 records. So what will be how many records I am going to skip? 2 minus 1 1 into 10 10. So first 10 records I can skip, and next 10 record I will fetch. So this is the calculation. In this way we can do the pagination. Let me to write the database query. We need all record dot skip dot limit, that is limit, right, dot. Let's use the execute method here. Here I will call the callback. Same, copy and paste. Same response I appended over here. Let me to delete this old one. So again let's run this from the Postman. Before that, let's check server is running fine. So what is my key name? Current page. Next one is page size. Let's say my current page is 1, for first page. My page size is 2. As I have less number of record present inside the database, so I can take the smaller value and I can show you. So let me to click on send button. Show you the result. First and second. See, for first page I get the name Raj, record related to Raj's record and Rahul one's record. So let's test for second page. I need also same record and the current page is 2. So let me to click on send button. See, the first page records are not there, Rahul and Raj. Now I got the next 2 record. So in this way we can implement also pagination. So here I have shown you how we can implement the pagination functionality using Node.js and now MongoDB. So I took the smaller value. As I have less number of records present inside the database, you can accordingly implement this thing, and you can take the page size more than 150 as per your requirement. Okay, so I hope now you are clear and you got some basic idea. So my next thing is I will implement the sort, how we can fetch the record in the ascending order or descending order. So let me to create one more route for that. Or I can, instead of creating one new route, I can implement same source. Okay, let me to make one new route so that so let's create this sort record route for sort functionality. So what is our objective for this functionality will fetch all record in descending order or in ascending order. So let's copy this get record method from the controller file, paste it again. Okay. So here I am using the get method. So here what I will do, let's first sort the record in descending order as per the name. So let me to write the query for it. User model dot find, I will fetch all record. That's why I am not putting any condition. Dot sort. So this -1 it will tell you ascending order or descending order. If you are writing -1, it's descending order. If 1, it's ascending order. Let's write our callback. Let's copy this and paste over here. And remove this old method. So let's change this method name to sort record. Let's check our server is running or not. Yes, it's running fine. Let's go to the Postman and test. Let's change the route name as sort record in Postman also. Sort record. So let me to click on send button now. See, some record fetched. Let's check it. So it came in descending order. You will see as per name R, C, then B. If I will make it to ascending, so this is something like alphabetical sort. See, first last record created came first, or alphabetically B, C, then R. But one thing is how we can fetch the last record at first. So for that we will depend on this created date. We can put here instead of name created date, and for descending order we will give -1. Yes, our server is running fine. Now we'll click on the send button. We'll check. See, last time we created this record whose name where we have given the name Corp, born Corp. Accordingly this came as per the created date. So in this way also we can implement our sort functionality using Node.js and MongoDB. So in this tutorial I covered 3 parts. One is search, that is even 2 type. One is exact match, another is text search like Google. Next one is sort, The last one is pagination also I have shown to you. So this is basic learning, basic tutorial. You can implement the same. You can test also from the Postman. So in my next video I will show you how we can secure our REST APIs. In first video I will show you what is difference between authentication and authorization. After that I will show you inside the code how we can make secure our REST APIs. Thank you.